Vaping Big here with something else than vaping today. Seno Nicotine on the go. These are dissolving strips that you put on your tongue and you'll get a quick release, easy to use and instant satisfaction. Well, yeah, they offered me some samples to their website, and they found out I was a content creator. So they sent me even more samples to do some content on. So yeah, let's dive down. This is the box that comes in. So yeah, these are boxes with little boxes inside though, where it came in for me. You'll get some instruction use cases. So yeah, Seno Nicotine film. So yeah. They sent me a bunch of flavors here. Look at that. They also sent me a new package version and an old package style version. These are the new ones. And they sent me all kinds of flavors. So they already tried this, the cheese ice. So each box will contain 20 nicotine strips there. So this sounds very horrible when you open it up. Oh, the smell is like actually it tastes quite good though. You got a nice magnetic box there, and on the inside you'll have your nicotine strips there. It's actually a pretty good flavor in the mouth though, but doesn't smell very nice. It's, yeah, well, that's how cheese is supposed to be. As you can see, it's a little magnetic lid here, so it will stay closed in your pocket or in your bag. So I already tried this flavor, I liked it. And here we have the peach ice. I haven't tried this one yet, so yeah, let's have a go at it. Actually, I was quite interested in this product because I don't really like pouches, you know, you put them behind your gums, and I don't like that feeling. And while testing these out, they were not as annoying as the nicotine pouches because they dissolve quite quickly in the mouth. Now, this is the new package there. So yeah, let's dive into it. I haven't tested this flavor out yet. There we go. We open her up. Quite hard to open, this one. There we go. And then you should have nicotine. If it fell out, here we go. So this is the little strip that will dissolve in your mouth. This might remind you of the Listerine fresh bread strips there. Not much smell coming from this one. Let's put it in my mouth. Oh yeah, I'm getting the peach. And some refreshing ice a little bit, very well balanced. And here we have some more of the other style package there. Blueberry ice. I might want to try. We get mango ice. Sorry for the cough. Even mint ice. It states 2 mg, so that is not 0.02%. Each strip will contain 2 mg, so it's 2 milligrams of nicotine per strip. Another mint ice here. Let's see if there's any difference between these two. Same package on the inside though, just the outside is a little bit different there. Not a big fan of the mints. Then you got kiwi fruit ice here. Mixed berries ice. Tried this one before, it was really good. Yeah, I'm getting good peach there. The grape ice. I want to try that one too. Let's try that one. Grape ice. Since already one dissolved, let's see if we can nick myself a bit out. I do get a little tingling sensation in my mouth from it, and it's not very disturbing, so yeah, it's a quick fix there. This one looks a little bit thinner than the previous one. Yeah, I can definitely smell the grape, putting it on my tongue. That's a really nice grape, yeah. Definitely getting the grape there. Really nice. I think this is a good alternative for if you're in a situation that you can't vape. You still want your nicotine, like on an airplane or in a meeting. It's a nice and discreet way to get your nicotine there, and it's quite tasty. I'm really starting to feel the nick already, so don't know if it was very wise to take a second one. With time on top, and yeah, we'll try out the blueberry ice.
A few moments later.
So back on top, actually don't do what I just did, like taking 2 consecutive ones. You gotta wait like 10 or 15 minutes before taking the next one, because you'll get a double dosage. And I actually got nicked out. So yeah, they work. they work for sure. And when you get a double dosage, you'll feel the tingling sensation that you get with pouches as well. Actually, I like it. I like this because you don't get that tingling sensation. So you need to let one completely dissolve before taking the next one. You gotta wait. You gotta wait some time. Oh yeah, let's try the blueberry ice. As you have some instructions also on the little box there. Just yeah, let's try one out. We're gonna take another blueberry ice. I was really sweating. Could feel the nick already after 2. So yeah, this is different than like your e-liquid or something else. You know, like it's actually 2 mg. So the blueberry ice has actually a color to it. Looks like Listerine. This actually looks like the Listerine one. And you just put it on your tongue and let it dissolve. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm getting that blueberry. A nice blueberry flavor there. Yeah. It's not burning. You'll feel the nicotine a little bit. It will take a couple minutes and it will get into your system. So yeah, I think this is a good alternative if you're in that moment that you need your discrete nicotine fix. This actually works for me. I dislike pouches, but I can do these. So soon I have to go to schooling for my real work, and yeah, I'll be sure to pack a couple of these boxes because these are quite handy there. Or if you're in an airplane and you want your nicotine fix, this can actually work. Oh, this blueberry is very delicious. I like it. Let's throw away that for recycling. So yeah, I think this is a good nicotine alternative, Seno. So yeah, use your Google hands to find out where you can get them. If you like it, let me know in the comments. Do you also use pouches or Zyn, or maybe already on the strips? Let me know and what you think about it. Just remember, nicotine life matters. See you in the next one.